Are you tired of Framer and want to delete your account but don't know how to? Well, worry not, we are here to help. Hello guys and welcome to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Framer account. Now let's begin. Simply go to framer.com and log in right now. As you can see, I've already logged in and this is the home page. From here on the left side of the tab, you will be given many options like accounts, settings, updates, communities and such. You can also add new folders from right here. You also have the option to create a new project and invite members. But right now, let's only focus on how to delete our account. Simply click on the accounts tab that you will find right here on the left side of the screen, and then simply stay right here in the profile section. At the end of this tab, you will be given two options, that is sign out and delete account. Click on this delete account button right here. Now it will ask you for your confirmation. You simply need to enter your email address right here and then click on delete. I'm gonna enter my email address right now. As you can see, as soon as I entered my email address, the delete option is available. You can hit on cancel right now. If not, click on delete. Well guys, as you can see, our Framer account has been successfully deleted. That's it for the video guys. That's how we delete your Framer account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.